สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Houseboat Thai Kitchen. How are you guys? I hope you are doing well. So what I'm going to make today is Khao Heng, or I also call it floating market rice bowl. Damnoen Saduak floating market is where I come from, where I grew up actually. And Khao Heng is the traditional dish that we have in our area for over 100 years. The recipe originally from Teochew or Teochew Chinese. Back then there were a lot of Chinese workers in the area to dig the canals, and then we all mix up, and now it become a big Thai and Chinese community over there. First we would have to deep fry the shrimp. Garlic and black pepper. I will use about 800 grams of the chicken thighs, and you cut it to small pieces like this, about 2 or 3 centimeters. In the original recipe, we should add the chicken blood or blood jelly as well, but it is difficult to find it here. I don't know why. Since I don't have the chicken blood, then I will use the chicken feet instead. It's full of collagen, so it makes your skin look better, believe me. Okay, after that we're gonna use the same oil to fry the garlic and black pepper that we just mixed. Use the medium heat, okay? And then we are going to add like soy sauce, black soy sauce, seasoning soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, if you have a chicken stock, then just add it into the pan, but if you don't have it, then you can use a chicken stock cube in there with 300 milliliter of water. To put into our pan. And now we can add the chicken feet. Smells so good. I want the sauce to be in darker color, so I'm gonna add more black soy sauce then. So it is now after 30 minutes. You can see like it's a lot like sauce. Please note that the taste should be a bit more salty because we have to put this on top of the rice. Really good. Ready to eat. Add some chicken. Cucumber. Shrimp.
Just 1 teaspoon. That's nice and cute. White garlic. Yes, sir, can you turn up?
And I would advise you to add this vinegar and chili that we mix at the beginning of the clip. So just a little bit on top. When you are going to eat, you have to mix everything together. So this is it. Okay, let's eat. Tastes like home, so try it and I'm sure that you're gonna love it.